Well, here we are again in the garage working on the project. Needs a thermostat. It either doesn't even have one in it or it's stuck open. My guess is it's probably stuck open. So as this thing like just sits here and runs, you know, it'll heat up perfectly fine and you got some nice good heat blowing out or whatever, but as soon as you go and drive down the road, the temperature just goes way down and it starts to just blow a little warm air out. So my guess is the thermostat's probably stuck. So I got a thermostat for it. I actually got a fail-safe thermostat, so if it ever does, if it fails again, it'll stick open, supposedly, that's what they say. And I also got a couple other little things I might do to it. Got some brand new NGK plug wires and some plugs. Let's dig back into this HEEP again. You see I took the intake out and it's a little hard to see the housing down there, but it shouldn't be too bad. And I also have, it's hard to see under here, but I do have the coolant temperature sensor right there. I don't know if it's bad, but I thought maybe that might have been the problem originally, so I bought one and they're cheap. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in anyway since it's new. That way I have that out of the way. Let's just kind of scoot that under there and get it to where I need it. And I think that right there will do it. Let's pull that thermostat out there and see what we got here. Here it is. It's stuck open. Let's see if I can get this a little close enough so you can see it. See, that's got the gap in it right there. Let's see. There you go. See how you can see it's got the gap in it? It's stuck open. So I got a fail-safe. I like these because, like I said before, now they claim, I don't think I've ever had one of them stick on me before, but they claim if it fails for any reason, and it'll stick open, so you don't have to worry about your vehicle overheating. So that's always good. Slide the gasket in there. Alright. Perfect. Definitely hard to hold the flashlight and the wrench. There you have it. Thermostat is in. Well, since we already have the cooling system drained and I went ahead and bought the coolant temperature sensor, I'm gonna go ahead and install this. It probably don't need it because obviously the gauge is working. I can see what's going on. But since I've already got the system drained, I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. Simply because, I mean, it doesn't hurt to go ahead and replace this. Hopefully to prevent anything, you know, later on down the road, something like that. Yeah, you can tell it's pretty old. It's been in there for a while. It's time for a new one. Alright. Hey. Plug. Plug it back in. One other thing I'm going to do. See this? Yeah, that really sucks on your foot. I'm going to tighten that sucker up. I've always used HEEP 50/50. It's probably, you know, it's probably not really any better than any other antifreeze. But that's just what I've always used. Man, I'm telling you what, now that is what's up right there. Oh yeah, break time. Next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and throw the new plugs and plug wires in, and then we'll get to running this thing and get the air out of the coolant system. camera died. I didn't get to get some of the things or whatever, but just a little recap. We'll just take a look. It's ta-da! Running nice and smooth, slicker than snot. Put my intake back on. I need to get me a little breather filter for that though. So, because we took care of this whole big old mess that was in there. So, yeah, seems like it's running pretty good. So, yeah, I guess next thing to do now, we got to roll it out of here because I got some cleaning up to do in here. Oh, lots of cleaning up. I got a mess of a tray full of antifreeze and spilled absorbent. Clean up and be good to roll down the road for another adventure.